So my name is Andronick, and I'm both French and Australian. And I work at Data 61, which is part of CSIRO, which is the Australian National Science Organization.
So I'm Caterina. I'm originally from Italy, in Udine in Italy, and now I live in France and work at INRIA and École Normale Supérieure.
My name is Akshay Rajhans. I am a cyber-physical systems research scientist at MathWorks.
I am Kristin Yvonne Rozier from Iowa State University.
So I'm Wolfgang Ahrendt. I work at Chalmers University in Sweden.
So my name is Heike Wehrheim, and I'm from the University of Paderborn, which is in Germany.
I am Mariangela Dezani, Emeritus Professor at Turin University.
I am Cavalcanti. I'm a professor at the University of York.
Personally, my area of expertise in using interactive theorem proving to show properties about low-level code like correctness and security.
Yeah. So I work on static analysis.
My role is really, as a research scientist, to be a bridge between the software development teams at MathWorks and the outside research community.
I work on lots of really fun interdisciplinary things, a lot applying formal methods to real-world scenarios, particularly in aerospace engineering.
We work on trying to show that software does what it's supposed to do.
I like to develop techniques which allow to give some correctness, guarantees about systems.
My current research activity is devoted to the study of session types for assuring safety of communication protocols.
So my work is related to developing techniques that allow practitioners, roboticists, to employ a better approach for their programming.
It's to really make verified software the state of the art.
I think so nowadays we have all this software that is somehow getting more and more important in this decision making. So I think we should really make sure that this software is doing the right thing. So not taking wrong decisions, not taking biased decisions, not invading our privacy and all these things. And I think in all of this space there is a lot of opportunity for the formal methods community to do something.
There's been a lot of progress made by the FM community in terms of making the theories as well as tools more scalable and usable. But still, the complexity of the systems that are being designed continues to evolve and increase at a much faster rate. So, how to bridge that gap between where the current system design is and where the best formal methods tools are. That's sort of one of the challenges that I am particularly more interested and excited about.
And specification is a huge challenge. It's a cultural challenge. So how to train engineers to write good specifications, how to get that ingrained in the culture, how to measure things about specifications.
Failures of system affect people ever more, both on the individual and on the societal level.
So I think the main challenge is that the systems or the FM people look at will more and more contain components which learn their behavior from data. So you have data-driven components.
I think it is very important to show how our theories can be applied in practice.
Usability of techniques is something that I think is very important.
You need to surround yourself with people that inspire you, that you can learn from, that support you, that can guide you.
I think they should read papers, and when they think they have read enough, they should read more. That's what the advice of my advisor, and I think it was a very good advice.
Try to make it more accessible for engineers and industry practitioners to use formal methods techniques.
Don't be afraid of tackling the really hard real-world problems.
You can contribute a lot, and you, the young researcher. We need you. We need your contributions to this area and to the further development.
Be open to lots of different approaches and areas that you could look at.
is to work for fun, not for duty.
Well, an advice that I would make is to ask them to get involved with the FME Association. It is a way of them developing their careers. There are lots of opportunities because the FME is really interested in reaching out to the next generation of formal methodists.